You're eating less, you're working out harder, you're tired, hungry, and somehow gaining weight? I've been there. And let me tell you, it's beyond frustrating. You start to question everything you're doing, wondering if you're just destined to struggle with your weight forever. But I'm here to tell you, it's not about willpower. It's not about being good or bad. It's about the silent mistakes that are sabotaging you from the inside out. These mistakes are so common, so sneaky, that you might not even realize you're making them. But trust me, they're holding you back. This video could save you months, or even years, of frustration. Let's talk about the most common weight loss mistakes that are keeping you stuck, and how to finally break free. First mistake is skipping meals. Let me guess. You think skipping a meal, especially breakfast, will save you calories and help you lose weight faster. You think, hey, less food, less weight, right? Wrong. This is a fast track to a metabolism slowdown. When you skip meals, you're essentially telling your body to go into starvation mode. Think about it. Our ancestors didn't have access to food 24/7. Their bodies learned to adapt, to hold on to every calorie when they were scarce. And guess what? Your body on a primal level still reacts the same way. It doesn't know you're choosing to skip a meal, it just knows it's not getting fuel. And when you finally do eat, your body, still in that primal fear of scarcity, stores every calorie it can as fat just in case it gets deprived again. It's a survival mechanism, plain and simple. Plus, let's be honest, skipping meals makes you feel like crap. You get moody, you can't focus, and you're more likely to binge later in the day. And those binges, they undo all your hard work. Instead of depriving your body, fuel it consistently. 3 balanced meals a day, plus a couple of healthy snacks if you need them. Give your metabolism something to work with, keep your energy levels up, and stop the binge cycle before it starts. Second mistake is obsessing over the scale. I used to be a slave to the scale. Every morning, first thing, I'd step on that thing, my entire mood hinging on the number staring back at me. If it went down, even a little, I was on top of the world. But if it went up, forget it, my day was shot. The scale can be a liar, plain and simple. It doesn't measure fat loss, it measures everything. Water weight, muscle gain, hormones, even how much sodium you had the day before. I remember one time I gained 5 pounds seemingly overnight. 5 pounds. I was freaking out, convinced I'd ruined all my progress. Turns out it was just my period. Hormones, ladies, they can make the scale do crazy things. Ditch the scale obsession. Instead, focus on how you feel. Are your clothes fitting looser? Do you have more energy? Are you getting stronger? Take progress photos, measure your waist, notice how much better you feel overall. Trust your body, not just a number on a scale. Fourth mistake is overdoing cardio. You're pounding the pavement, sweating it out on the elliptical, convinced that more cardio equals more weight loss. But here's the thing. While cardio is great for your heart health, it's not the most effective way to change your body composition. You might be burning calories, but are you building the lean, toned physique you're after? Enter strength training. Lifting weights, using resistance bands, or even just using your own body weight. These are the tools that will truly transform your body. Muscle is metabolically active, meaning it burns more calories at rest than fat. Think of it this way. Cardio is like renting a car. You only get the benefits while you're actively using it. Building muscle is like buying the car outright. It's an investment that keeps paying off even when you're not at the gym. Plus, muscle sculpts your body, giving you those curves and definition you're after. It strengthens your bones, improves your posture, and boosts your metabolism long after your workout is over. Don't be afraid to lift heavy, ladies. It's time to build some muscle and watch your body transform. Mistake number 5, not getting enough sleep. In our go-go-go society, sleep is often the first thing to get sacrificed. We burn the midnight oil, then wake up to alarms before our bodies are ready, running on caffeine and willpower. But here's the thing. Lack of sleep is a one-way ticket to weight gain. When you're sleep deprived, your body produces more ghrelin, the hormone that makes you feel hungry, and less leptin, the hormone that tells you you're full. Translation? You're hungrier, you crave sugary, fatty foods, and your body is more likely to store those calories as fat. Sleep is when your body repairs itself, builds muscle, and regulates those crucial hormones. It's not called beauty sleep for nothing. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep every night. Make it a non-negotiable, just like brushing your teeth or eating your vegetables. Your body will thank you. All or nothing kind of thinking is the sixth mistake, and this is a big one, and I'm willing to bet most of you are guilty of it at some point. You eat a cookie and suddenly the entire day is shot. You miss a workout, so you figure, what's the point? And write off the rest of the week. Sound familiar? This all or nothing mindset is toxic. It sets you up for failure because no one can be perfect all the time. Life happens. You're going to have days where you indulge, where you skip a workout, where you just don't feel like following your plan. And that's okay. The key is to focus on consistency, not perfection. Strive to make healthy choices 80% of the time, and allow yourself some flexibility the other 20%. One cookie, one missed workout, one off day. It doesn't have to derail your entire journey. Give yourself grace, get back on track, and keep moving forward. Seventh mistake is relying on diets instead of habits. We live in a world obsessed with the quick fix, the magic pill, the latest and greatest diet fad. Keto, paleo, intermittent fasting, detox teas, you name it, you've probably tried it. And maybe you even saw some initial results. But how long did they last? Here's the hard truth. Diets don't work. Or rather, they work in the short term, but they're not sustainable. They create rules and restrictions that are impossible to maintain long term, leaving you feeling deprived, and eventually, you rebound. Instead of jumping from one diet to the next, focus on building sustainable habits. Meal prep, prioritize whole foods, hydrate consistently, move your body daily. These are the things that will create lasting change. It's not about following a set of rules, it's about creating a lifestyle that supports your goals. Last mistake is deciding to do it alone. You think you're the only one who struggles, the only one who has bad days, the only one who feels lost on this journey. You isolate yourself, convinced that asking for help is a sign of weakness. But let me tell you, doing it alone is the hardest way to achieve anything. We are wired for connection, for community, for support. When you share your journey with others, you're more likely to stay accountable, to stay motivated, and to ultimately succeed. Find a workout buddy, join a support group, or even just tell a trusted friend or family member about your goals. Remember, you don't have to be perfect to inspire others. In fact, it's your imperfections, your struggles, your realness that makes you relatable and inspiring. So open up, reach out, and let's do this together. You've probably made at least one of these mistakes. I know I have, but that doesn't mean you're failing. It means you're human, and you're learning. Every step you take, every choice you make is moving you closer to your goals. Progress is messy, but every choice you make today moves you closer to the person you're becoming. Don't quit, don't give up. The breakthrough comes after the breakdown. Comment "I'm still in this" if you're ready to grow. Check the description on this video to get some tools or products that will assist you in getting results. Subscribe for more real, raw, inspiring videos. And remember, this isn't just about weight. It's about becoming the strongest version of you.